brought to you by Nova शुद्ध घी।
जब जब खाए दिल खुश हो जाए सदियों का
नोवा शुद्ध देसी घी, सपना स्वस्थ भारत का।
I love घी 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 घी।
सो इस वक्त मेरे साथ अफ़गानिस्तान के स्टार प्लेयर गुरबाज भाई हैं और गुरबाज भाई सिर्फ आपको अफ़गानिस्तान के लिए ही नहीं बल्कि IPL के लिए भी, IL T20 के लिए भी, तमाम और भी लीग्स के लिए भी खेलते हुए नज़र आते हैं। गुरबाज भाई, इस बार का ये सीज़न 4 IL T20 कितना डिफरेंट और कितना स्पेशल है?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I think IL T20 is always a very special competition, a very special event. It's in Dubai. It's a nice place here to stay, and also very good competition, strong teams, and from strong background, I can say. I think it's very excited moment for all of us, and looking great, and looking hope for to win and do something special for our team.
ओके, सो अभी थोड़े दिन पहले मिनी ऑक्शन भी हुआ IPL का, और बहुत सारे नए चेहरे भी टीम्स के अंदर में ड्राफ्ट हुए हैं। आप जिस टीम के लिए खेलते हैं, उस टीम को हमने अंडर गौतम गंभीर चैंपियन बनते हुए भी देखा है। इस बार आपकी टीम के लिए आपको क्या कुछ नया नज़र आ रहा है?
कौन सा टीम है?
आप मुझे पूछ रहे हैं?
आप
बताइए।
KKR के बात ना किया?
ऑफ कोर्स।
देखो, KKR is my always family, I can say, because I spend the best time there. और yeah, it's sad, but unfortunately you can't do anything with that, because end of the day, end of the years, end of your career, they're gonna release you for some reason. I mean, yeah, they release me. I will miss my fans. I will miss my Kolkata. I will miss everything there. But I hope for great. I mean, to go somewhere that I can play. To go somewhere that I really enjoy my time there as well. And Kolkata ऐसे family था मेरे लिए जैसे मेरा own family अफगानिस्तान में, क्योंकि they treat me very well, and the way the fans give me love still now as well. Everywhere I go, Kolkata fans, they just meet me and they just love me, which I try to give them a love as well. Especially thing was the management staff was very good, and they support me through all the 3-4 years. Yeah, I didn't play the way I wanted, the way to play in most of the games, but most of the time I was in the bench. But hopefully I go somewhere to play in IPL to make my fans happy for cricket.
एब्सोल्युटली, क्योंकि मैं उसी पॉइंट पे आ रहा था, क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे मैचेस में थे जहाँ पर आपको 11 में खेलने का मौका नहीं मिलता था, लेकिन उसके बावजूद जैसा आपने अभी कहा भी कि आपका एक बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन बेस बन गया था। हमने आपकी वो कोलकाता के अंदर में लोगों को हेल्प करते हुए तस्वीरें भी देखी हैं, फैंस को ग्लव्स देते हुए तस्वीरें भी देखी हैं। कहीं ना कहीं दिल में एक चीज़ है कि यार एक मौका और हो सकता था।
देखो, हम सारे इंसान हैं, राइट? तो हमारा इंसानों का ये करना चाहते हैं। I mean स्पेशली मेरा ख्वाहिश ये कि मैं अगर इतना बड़ा बन जाऊंगा कि मैं लोगों के साथ हेल्प कर सकता हूँ। दैट्स माई ड्रीम, which I'm very happy with that. Whatever I help with the people, whatever I can do with the people, that's something's give me extra energy. When I help someone, it's give me extra energy for my future. I mean for my upcoming whatever I have. सबसे बड़ा चीज़ जो है, आप जब हमारा रिलीजन ट्रीट मी कि अगर आप इंसान के साथ हेल्प कर रहे हैं ना, तो आप सारी इंसानियत के साथ हेल्प कर रहे हैं, तो अल्लाह विल ऑलवेज गिव यू like 100 times more. So that's something I believe, and that's why I always try to help people, because it's in my control, which is what I did. जो कंट्रोल में है मैं करूँगा हर जगह में, और जो इंडिया है, अफ़गानिस्तान है, पाकिस्तान, दो आने हुआ वो मेरा ब्लड में है, वो चीज़, वो फैमिली से मुझे ऐसे है।
अच्छा, गौतम गंभीर एज हेड कोच आप उनको कैसे देखते हैं? अभी वो इंडिया की हेड कोच हैं, इससे पहले KKR के थे, लखनऊ के मेंटोर भी रहे वो। आप उनको आपने क्लोजली उनको देखा भी है, आप कैसे देखते हैं उनको? क्योंकि रेड बॉल को लेकर उनके ऊपर बहुत सारी बातें हो रही हैं गुरबाज भाई, कि इंडिया अपने घर में न्यूजीलैंड से हारती है, साउथ अफ्रीका से हारती है, लेकिन वहीं अगर आप वाइट बॉल देखो तो चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी जीतती है इंडिया, एशिया कप जीतती है इंडिया। एज ए हेड कोच आप कैसे देखते हैं?
देखो, उसका क्रिकेट एक्सपीरियंस जो है मेरा ऐसे भी ज़्यादा है। आई डोंट वांट टू इवन टॉक अबाउट देयर करियर एंड देयर कोचिंग स्टाफ, बिकॉज वो बहुत एक्सपीरियंस लोग हैं, वो बहुत बड़ा लेजेंड है। I don't allow myself to talk about them even. The people who talk about them, behind them, that's something which we need to understand that we don't deserve to talk about them bad. I think they only deserve to give them a good advice. I mean, if you have it in your mind. Otherwise, they know whatever they do. They just think and then they do whatever they want. I mean, I don't want to say something like, you know, I don't know how to explain it in my English because sometimes my English is also get finished. But
your English is so good.
वो जो कर रहे हैं बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है सीरियसली मैं ये बात कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि जीजी के साथ मैंने एक साल गुजरा even though I was not playing but the way he support me through all the tournament that was just unbelievable. But I got the chance in semi-final, final. I was very well prepared to perform because he make me ready for because he knew that if Gurbaz get opportunity, if he's not ready, it's not good for my future. So he's the one that he take care of everyone. Especially personally, I love him. I love the way he is. I love the way he is as a person, as a coach, as a cricketer. I just want to say he's next level.
ओके आखिरी के दो सवाल रोहित शर्मा विराट कोहली इंडिया के दो बहुत ही बड़े खिलाड़ी अनफॉर्चुनेटली कुछ बातें ऐसी चल रही हैं कि 2027 का जब वर्ल्ड कप आएगा पता नहीं वो दोनों खेलेंगे नहीं खेलेंगे एज अ प्लेयर आप उनको 2027 वर्ल्ड कप में खेलते हुए देखना चाहोगे?
देखो एज अ क्रिकेटर अफगानिस्तान प्लेयर I will be happy if they are not in the team because if they play against me. because if they are not in the team, we will have more chance to win. They are legend, bro. There's no chance to someone come and say that Virat shouldn't be in the team and Rohit shouldn't be in the team. Bro, if they are not in the team, every team will be happy. So there are such a big names, and with the names plus they are very good players, right? So most of the time I call with Virat Bhai. Sometime when I'm in trouble, when I need help, we talk. You call him? Yeah, I call him and I say, Bhai, I need this help. And then we most of the time discuss. Just recently, when I was little bit in situation where I was not able to score, I call him and in the very next game I scored like 90 and something like that.
विराट ने क्या बताया आपको?
Just he's very simple. The way he's playing, he make it very simple for himself. He don't make something complicated. You know, he just try to work hard and go and enjoy, which we all need to be like the same. Because cricket is, you cannot be in such a situation which you can't enjoy the game. When you can't enjoy the game, then you can't perform. So he's the one that he always helped me throughout from the last 3 years. From the last 3 years, we knew each other. Anytime I message him, anytime I call him, he always open to talk. And that's something you expect from your legend, you know. For example, tomorrow if someone expect from me, and I need to be the same because I learn from him. So he's such a nice, down-to-earth human being, and Rohit Sharma as well, all the time funny. And when you meet him, he will always give you a fun, vibes. So yeah, feel grateful.
Any moment which you remember with Rohit? I mean, the funny moment, because I know. I mean, he's the one who will make you laugh.
Actually, when we play against, when we had a series against India. सो पहले 2 गेम में वो 0 में आउट हो गया. तो 0 में आउट हो गया. थर्ड मैच के लिए आया तो मैंने एक अपील किया अपील नहीं किया. वाइड था, मैंने अपील किया. अंपायर ने वाइड नहीं दिया ना. वो मुझे गाली भी दे दिया क्या ऐसे वो जैसे गाली दे. 1-2 मैच में तो 0 आउट हो गया. ऐसे नहीं किया. अभी भी मुझे गलती से आउट करे. मैंने सोचा कि भाई अगर आप आउट भी हो जाएंगे मैं आपका आउट नहीं ले लूँगा. So he was very, funny, and most of the time when he's playing, some people are like to enjoy their game and they talk. Some people like Virat, when he's batting, he do like to talk with people. Me too, I don't like to also, but he's someone that he like to talk with boys, and that's why I think that's the reason that he score more. He can get with that situation when he talk with against him as well. So he's funny. He's funny in every part, yeah.
अच्छा, लास्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हेन यू केम टू नो, जब आपको पता लगा कि रोहित शर्मा को ओडीआई की कैप्टनशिप से बोला गया है कि आप टीम मेंबर बनिए, शुभमन गिल को वो एलिवेशन मिलता है, ही इज जस्ट टेकिंग ओवर द टीम, आपको वो डिसीजन कैसा लगा? एंड हाउ डू यू सी शुभमन गिल एज ओडीआई कैप्टन?
To be really honest, as a cricketer, I think so India, I can say India is like our second team. I mean, we always support them and we always watching their game. And to be really honest, I love to watch Shubman Gill batting and the way he's doing perform, and I think he's a very good cricketer. But I don't want to say anything about his captaincy, but he lead the team in IPL as well. When you can lead the team in IPL, you're able to lead the team anywhere, because it's all about good bond. If you have a good combination, you have a good people around you, captaincy is not a difficult thing. You can do anywhere. So he's, I think he's a very big future for India. If he's the captain, then India, all people need to support him, should back him, because now he is. If he's good or bad, whatever he is, so now he is already there. So the people need to support him because he's playing for India, not for other country. So Indian people should support him. All the players, all the fans of cricket, they should back Shubman.
T20 वर्ल्ड कप अब आ रहा है, और आई थिंक अफगानिस्तान के लिए एक बार और बहुत बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी, बहुत बड़ा मौका होगा, क्योंकि T20 आपका फेवरेट, ये आप कह सकते हैं कि फॉर्मेट है. कितना कॉन्फिडेंट है अफगानिस्तान की टीम, और क्या प्लानिंग, क्या स्ट्रैटेजी, टू बीट the big ones and be in the finals and lift that ICC World Cup trophy? That is the ultimate team of Afghanistan team.
देखो, हमारा एम ये वर्ल्ड कप में, हम जब पहले खेल रहा था, हमारा सोच ये था कि हम सिर्फ जा रहे हैं और अच्छा खेल रहे हैं वर्ल्ड कप में, तो जितना हमारा माइंड में नहीं था. अभी इफ़ यू सी, वी आर वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर द प्लेयर वी हैव. आई थिंक most of our players are very well prepared and also very well experienced now. I think we can give any single team a top time and we can win the matches from them, especially in T20 and India. So it's going to be a very good World Cup, and hopefully we do something very special in this upcoming World Cup. And yeah, as a personally, my aim is to perform very well as I did in the last World Cup as well for my team. So that's my aim for my team. I mean, as a cricketer, as a professional cricketer, when I want to go to, whenever I go to any competition, my aim is to just win the matches for my team. That's my aim. As a team, we all people know, all the world know that how unit we are. We are very unit, and I think that's the main thing, that we are winning the matches everywhere. And I think, yeah, very happy with my team. Yeah.
Thank you Gurbaz bhai. All the best.
स्पोर्ट्स तक पर आपको न सिर्फ खबरें मिलेंगी, बल्कि आपका ओपिनियन भी मैटर करता है. ये आप ही का मंच है. आइए बताइए, भारतीय क्रिकेट टीम से आप क्या उम्मीद करते हैं. रहिए स्पोर्ट्स तक के साथ. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए स्पोर्ट्स तक को YouTube और Facebook पर.